Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm gonna actually show you how to download file from your what is called the Google Docs. So in terms of downloading a file, whether you want to download it in PDF, you want to download it in Excel, or you can download it in Microsoft Office. So here's a file that I'm actually working on now. So I want to download this file here. So just simply click on file. Then you'll see the download icon, go right across. I'm going to download it in Microsoft Office. Save it. Now I'm going to attempt to open it. Now it's open on my other monitor. It's going to bring it across. Right, so as you can see, actually open in Microsoft Office. Now let's download it in another version. Let's choose PDF. Let's double check. So file, PDF, click on save, open. As you can see, actually I'm open. So pretty much simple. Let's go again, go to file, download. So as you can see, we have different options there. So I would have shown you how to download it into Microsoft Word and also PDF file format. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.